I just got back. So a pattern. They are flying out of view of the camera and staying away from me until I turn the phone off and stop it from recording. As of right now, you can hear the cicadas getting louder and louder and louder as I'm talking, because that is long-range acoustic weapons. That is acoustic harassment. That sound is meant to irritate the target, but meant to sound as natural as possible. I didn't go out back because it was too loud. They had the cicadas going, so I came out front. They sent the helicopter, and now they still utilizing the cicadas to make as much noise as possible. Okay, there you go. There you go. Bum, 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 bum. So if anybody ever call you crazy, you're not crazy. You're being illegally tracked, monitored, and harassed by the United States government. Okay? You're being bombarded with acoustic sounds that are meant to sound natural. And you're being harassed 24/7 by the police and different federal organizations. Okay? Okay. Again, that is one continuous video. Cicadas just don't sound natural. the span of an hour, I was followed by airplane, emergency services, fire truck. I'm surprised there was no sheriff that I could see. And gang stalk, but it was all recorded. Including this wind. That's going aggressively.